the most spirited season of them all. I am your host, your ghost host. The 999 happy haunts and I are ready to materialize for a spectacular celebration. You never know who will drop in. After all, this is Halloween.
Wouldn't you like to see something strange? It's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween. This is Halloween. Pumpkin scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween. Everybody make a scene, trick or treat. Till the next come and flats. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. 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 Everyone hail to the pumpkin sale!
Our disembodied friends would like to serenade you with some scary okie. Just a few of our favorite tunes that we dug up for the occasion. We hope you'll enjoy a little night music. Feel free to sing along.
We're just some poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. Poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. Poor unfortunate souls. Relative ill, relative ill. If she doesn't scare you, no evil friend will. To see her is to take a side. Relative ill. She's like a spider waiting for the kill. Relative ill.
Wow.
Trust in me. Just I know. Shut your trust me. I know. Bamboozle is very confusing. Bamboozle's very sly. They come in ones and twos, but they so choose before your eyes you'll see them multiply. Elephants on parade, here they come, hippity hoppity. They're here, and there are elephants everywhere. Look out! Look out! Elephants on parade!
Now, who could that be?
Happy Halloween, darlings!
Why, the Sea Witch. So glad you could plop in.
This is what I live for. It's such a wicked time of year, isn't it? And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood. The Lucas of Rukaka winds of the Caspian Sea. The Princess Silas, Max Laryngitis, all for change for me. Now sing. Sing! Sing!
Unfortunate souls in pain.
Move, old boy, and let Mr. Oogie kick it up a notch. Well, what have we here? A trick-or-treater? Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the ones they're talking about. When Mr. Oogie Boogie says let's go close at hand, you better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the boogie. Gathering, we invite you to partake in our favorite Halloween tradition, the Scream Along. Any volunteers? Just scream like you're trying to wake the dead.